National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for central Adams County until 6:15 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include eastern parts of Quincy, Quincy Regional Airport, Coatesburg, Columbus, Fowler, and Paloma. This includes Interstate 172 between exits 14 and 19. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Adams, Illinois,